Who was the first Dalit Chief Minister in the country or in India? Answer: Damodaram Sanjivaya from Andhra Pradesh. He became Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh in 1960. To whom does the Speaker of a state assembly submit his resignation? Answer: to the Deputy Speaker of that assembly. How long can the Rajya Sabha hold a money bill? Answer: for 14 days. When is France National Day celebrated? Answer: on July 14. Which French woman was a famous revolutionary figure? Answer: Olympe de Gouges.